Okay, welcome back. Um, I am going to show you earlier in the earlier video I did. If you're watching this consecutively, I showed you how to make changes to the gallery section, meaning adding or removing images within the portfolio of our dynamic gallery. Now I want to show you how to make changes or maintain the content within the pages of your dynamic gallery. So let's walk on the services page. I'm going to show you how to actually change the content on this page. As you can see, we have 4 paragraphs covering services, Teresa's events, offers. And this is rather simple. So let's go back to our control panel, Plesk. If you're not familiar with Plesk, you might want to watch the first tutorial I came up with, or earlier tutorials about Plesk 9.0. So we want to go into the file manager section, which takes us to the root of our file and folder system on our website. Now we want to go into the file called tfile_main.xml. This controls the content within your dynamic flash website. So you want to roll your mouse, guide you all the way to the little edit file button, which shows a little pen or pencil. So let's click on that. Takes us to this wonderfully this great looking confusing page. um, got tongue tied right there, I'm sorry. Anyway, so this tells you quite a lot about your website. It tells you in jargon, more or less, the copyright information, links, and all whatnot. But what I really want to take you to is the pages and how to maintain or update the content within each page on your dynamic gallery. You notice I guess the main tabs, portfolio, my bio, services, and contacts are listed right there. Portfolio, my bio, services, and contacts. Now if you scroll down further, you would see that my bio, which is right there, further defined right here. I mean, honestly, if you're a novice at this, the easiest thing to do is just scroll down and try and find um, what you're looking for. Say you want to make changes. You already know what file you need to work on, which is tfile_main.xml. Now, it's just the process of reverse engineering. So we already know this exists on the page, right, on the services. So how about we just find services on the page? So let's just scroll down. Keep going. That doesn't look like services. And that looks like services. So we have a winner. So, assuming you're able to find this, you can tally your results. So you have services right there, which tallies with services right there. And scroll down, photography right there, tallies with photography in all caps. The paragraph below photography right there tallies with that, specializing in that. So it's really simple and easy to change. So this literally covers, this covers the first subheader and paragraph. Photography, specializing in portraits, and then photography right there. The idea is to have this usable for novices, so we don't really need to go too in depth into what it does, but maybe a little bit. These are break tags. This puts a space, a line break between paragraphs, so I'm putting 2 spaces, 1 2, and that puts 2 little invisible spaces you don't see right there. Takes you into the next sub category, catering, and its paragraph, which is right there. Catherine and its paragraph. So assuming you wanted to add a new paragraph, for instance, so I just copy this, Control C, space, Control V to paste, and I said test 1 2 3 4, right? And I saved this, saved, come back here, refresh our website, let us kill our music, go back into the services page, and voila, you have test and test 1 2 3, which I just added. Every time you save, it kicks you back to the top of the page. So let's scroll down, and using our eyes, I guess, let's try and find what we added, which is that. So by deleting that little section right there and clicking on save, come back to our portfolio section of our website, refresh, and services page, kill the music, and test is gone. And just like that, you have made changes to the content on your website. This page controls all the pages on your website, your My Bio, your services, and your contact section on your website. So this page also controls that content, controls that content as well, and controls that content. So I hope this explains how to make changes to the TF file main.xml page, which controls the content on your website. Thank you again. I'm not the best at this video tutorials, but I hope this helped someone or you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.